So folding into two. Remember, we want to make paper quilling, so I'm going to pick up one part about 3 centimeter. Let's measure that so that we'll be sure. This is my 1 to 3 centimeters, so you can see that 3 centimeter. So I'm going to fold it and continue folding until I get to the end of the cardboard. So now I told you that you need your bonding agent. So my bonding agent I'm using is my top bond. So I apply my glue at the end of the paper, then I stick it down. So I stick it down and I create one, right? So I'm going to quickly create another one, doing the same thing I did for the first screen. Fold into 2 equal halves, then pick up the 3 centimeter and fold down. So you can see now, and I am folding it. So at the end I apply my glue, then I keep that as well, so making 2 of these grains. Now I'm going to pick up my cream color and do the same thing I did for the green. This is a cream color embossed paper. Okay, so quickly I am folding into 2. This stripe now is now folded into 2. Okay, so I'm going to pick up just 3 centimeter as well, but this time around I'm going to allow it to have space in between. Now you can see the space in between. Okay, all right, so there's no space down here. I'm holding it together, while up here there's a little bit space in between. So I'm going to fold just where I folded the grain, but this time around maintaining, making sure that this part is always V-shaped, while the top is let's say N shape. Okay, so we have N at the top and V at the bottom. All right, so let's continue. Remember, we are making different types of shape for our paper quilling design. Like the wall, like the wall frame that is behind me, it's definitely different types of shape that we have used to create that. You can see it's not different from the grain. All right, so I'm picking up a smaller orange now, in cream. So I'm doing the same thing, but this time around I want to turn this into a nectar. So I pick up a smaller part. It's not straight, so I pick up a smaller part of the embossed paper and fold, then I roll into ball. All right, after folding I now roll into ball. Now, so once I finish rolling into ball, so I pick up my glue and add it to the end part of the embossed paper, then I stick it down just as I have sticked the others. Okay, so I have this, but before I stick this down, I want to do something. Okay, let me just go ahead and continue with the rest before we start to experiments. Right, so I have my orange, so I'm going to fold my orange as well, and I'm going to fold it just as I folded the orange, the cream and the green. So I'm going to just do the same thing that I did with the cream. Dip your finger around that 3 centimeter, then fold. making sure that we have letter N on the top and letter V downwards. All right, so continue that way, and then you have your glue. Apply your glue, apply your glue, and hold it down so it stays. Apply your glue. Okay, so I'm going to go for the white cardboard this time around. This is not straight. Always make sure that your stripe are straight. Okay, that is why we need some cutting machine, and we need our ruler when we are actually ruling and trying to cut with our scissors. I was a little bit fast, that's why that is not so, but it's not acceptable, no excuse. Now, so I'm having this one. Now this time around I want to create a different pattern. Now look at this. I pick